BQA, Beef Quality Assurance, is an extremely important program. It's something that's been around for many, many years, and it's continued to evolve over the years. But really, with the BQA program, our ultimate goal is to produce a quality product. And it's important to not only the producer, but it's important to our consumers. Consumers want to know that we handle our animals properly, that we're handling our products that we're administering properly, and we're administering those things like they should be. But they want to know that the animals are produced under, quality conditions. So it's important not just for the customer, the consumer, but also the rancher. With the price of beef these days, the price of a calf, anything we can do to help produce a quality calf is valuable to the producer as well as our end user. Our company, Boehringer Ingelheim, has been working with NCBA Beef Quality Assurance Program since late last year to form a partnership. We are a partner with the BQA group to help support their efforts to get more producers certified. And we are doing this because we're extremely happy to be doing it and proud to be doing it, because it fits right along with what we believe in also. We really believe in prevention, and Prevention Works is a platform of ours, and we have been promoting the value of Prevention Works and preventative medicine for quite some time, and this just dovetails right in. If whatever we can do to help prevent disease and then manage those animals properly through a BQA program, it goes a long way in helping the customer and the producer in the end. Here at the NCBA convention, we're kicking off our partnership with the BQA program, and between February 11th and March 15th, we can help producers become certified or recertified, BQA certified or BQA recertified. And all they need to do is log on to a website, www.bivi-bqa.com, and then we're giving them a code here, BIVI-BQA, and they can log on and enter that code and become certified at no charge, which is a $25 value, and we'll cover that charge for them. In the end, it's going to pay, I believe, big return. For anyone who wants more information on this BQA partnership with the NCBA BQA group, go to www.bivi-bqa.com. Once on that website, there'll be information on the BQA program and modules that producers can take to become BQA certified or BQA recertified.